काजोल कृति सैनन स्टार दो पत्ती का ये ट्रैक माया। And now listen to this piece by Rajshri Mittal, ये कोलकाता के कंपोजर हैं। इन्होंने ये ट्रैक 2018 में बनाया था। So पूरी स्टोरी पता करते हैं राजश्री के कोको से। Hi Coco.
Hey Sachin.
So when did you find out about this similarity?
Yeah, so actually on Thursday I was scrolling through my Instagram messages and one of my followers texted me कि आपका एक backing track has been used in the song, and then I searched it up on YouTube and actually he sent me a link. Then I got to know about the same.
Just explain me a little bit about your track.
Yeah, so if you listen to the intro of the song and intro of my backing track, you will find that you will see that it's exactly the same key, the same tempo, and basically it's the same track. You'll be able to hear it quite easily. And of course, they have put the voice on top of it, and they have rearranged it in the sense that they have cut off some part from a little later part of the song, like from the backing track, and brought it forward. They have basically chopped off to match their arrangement essentially. So that is what they have done, but essentially the track happens to be mine, and they have not modified it in any way, but they have added a few layers of like strumming and all of those things here and there, very minor, but you'll be able to identify that the track is actually the same, like the song is the same as the backing track basically.
And if I'm not wrong, पहले आपका नाम credits में था और बाद में उसको हटाया गया, right?
Yeah, so after all the fuss that happened over social media, they put my name in the credits, then they removed it, then again they put it back, then again they removed it. I think 3 or 4 times this thing happened.
So you told me you reached out to Sachit Parampara. उनसे क्या बात हुई अभी तक?
I texted Sachit on Instagram and he texted me back कि no, this should not have happened, and let me get back to my arrangers and let me talk to my arrangers and get back to you. And then a little later when I texted him back, I am yet to hear from you, he said कि give me your contact number, I want to talk to you about the same and all of those things. But they did not take any permission or any consent from me about using the track whatsoever.
So what is your action now, Coco? What are you doing for this? अब क्या कर रहे हैं इसके लिए?
I have moved forward with a few things. I would like to share about the same in more details only after I get something fruitful out of it. So I would like to not talk about it in too much details.
And what do you want to say to the composers, to the music fraternity, to all the listeners?
Creating music is something that we love, and if you like someone else's work, get in touch with them. They, like, people like us would be very happy to work with you, because it's like you guys are big in the industry, and we would be happy to associate with all of you. And if you had done that, I would have been proud and happy of my work, and it would have been a more harmonious encounter as opposed to what it is right now. So this, and of course to my fellow musicians, you should be aware of protecting your own work, copywriting it, and whatever you can to protect your music, so that this thing does not happen with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sachin, for having me over in this little chat, and thank you. टेक केयर।
सो मैं सचिन परंपरा के साइड की भी स्टोरी जानना चाहूंगा, और साथ में अगर आप म्यूजिक प्रोफेशन से या लीगल प्रोफेशन से हैं, कोको को राइटफुली जो डिजर्विंग है वो कैसे मिल सकता है? इफ यू वांट टू सजेस्ट, प्लीज राइट इन द कमेंट्स, एंड आगे जनता आप अपना रिएक्शन मुझे बता देना।